Good morning all. Today discuss about ADU and VDU. ADU means atmospheric distillation unit, and second one VDU, the vacuum distillation of crude. Okay, તો બંને મોસ્ટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન્સ છે જે ડિસ્કસ અબાઉટ ADU એન્ડ VDU ફોર ધ ક્રૂડ પેટ્રોલિયમનો ટોપિક છે. તો સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ. ફર્સ્ટ વન છે ADU यानी कि एटमॉस्फेरिक डिस्टिलेशन यूनिट. तो ऑल डिस्टिलेशन टावर एंड प्लेट्स is a plate type tower, okay, in a atmospheric distillation unit. The second one, the all types of conventional trays like bubble cap tray, ballast tray, valve tray, sieve tray, etc. okay, આ વસ્તુ આપણે ઇઝ ઇન માસ ટ્રાન્સફર ઓપરેશનમાં ઓલરેડી ભણી ગયા છે. ઓકે, દેન યુઝ્યુઅલ ડેટા ઇન ધ ડાયમેન્શન્સ એન્ડ એની ઓપરેટિંગ સિસ્ટમ્સ for data are given below in the atmospheric column. જે એટમોસ્ફેરિક ડિસ્ટિલેશન યુનિટ છે એના માટે ડિસ્ટિલેશન કોલમમાં ડેટા કયો હશે એ આપણે જોવાનું છે. એ ડાયામીટર વાઇઝ, લેન્થ વાઇઝ જે રીતે હોય રિએક્ટર કે ટાઈપનો ડિસ્ટિલેશન કોલમ કેટલી હોવી જોઈએ. ઓકે, સિમ્પલી ડિસ્ટિલેશન ઓલ ડિસ્ટિલેશન ટાવર ઇઝ અ પ્લેટ ટાઈપ ટાવર છે. એમાં ડિફરન્ટ ટાઈપ્સ ઓફ ટ્રેઝ લાઇક બબલ કેપ પ્લેટ્સ, બલાસ્ટ ટ્રેઝ, વાલ્વ ટ્રેઝ, sieve plate is a etc. Okay, then the usual data in a dimension for operating system, the data given below for an atmospheric column. The first one, in a tower diameter કેટલો છે 5 to 8 meter. okay, tower diameter છે 5 to 8. then depth on number of drops, the depth of any depth કેટલી હશે એ બતાવ્યું છે. the number of plates 25 to 40. then the maximum allow pressure, okay, maximum allow the pressure drop per plate કેટલો છે 0.015 kilogram per centimeter square. the maximum pressure drop per plate is a 0.015 kilogram per centimeter square, and the allow pressure drop between the 0.5 to 0.55 kilogram per centimeter square. હવે જે એર કોમ્પ્રેસરમાં જે આપણે એર કલેક્શન કરીએ છીએ એઝ એર કોમ્પ્રેસર, એમાં મેક્સિમમ અલો પ્રેશર કેટલું હશે 0.015 કિલોગ્રામ પર સેન્ટીમીટર સ્ક્વેર, એન્ડ ધ પ્રેશર ડ્રોપ બિટવીન ધ ફ્લેશ ઝોન એન્ડ ધ ટોપ ઓફ ધી ટાવર એમાં કેટલું છે 0.5 to 0.55 કિલોગ્રામ પર સેન્ટીમીટર સ્ક્વેર, the flash zone of the top of the tower. then pressure drop from furnace outlet of the flash zone is 0.3 to 0.4 kilogram per centimeter square, and the pressure at the top of the tower કેટલું છે the top of the tower is a 1.20 to 1.4 kilogram per centimeter square per cubic. okay, then ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ છે લાઇટ નેફ્થા એન્ડ હેવી નેફ્થા. જે 5 to 8, જે 6 to 8 પ્લેટ એનો એંગલ કેટલો છે 180 to 130, જે 18 ડિગ્રી સેલ્સિયસ ટુ 113 ડિગ્રી સેલ્સિયસ જેટલો છે. દેન ધી હેવી નેફ્થા ટુ લાઇટ નેફ્થા ઇઝ 180 degree Celsius, and the number of plates is 5 to 6 plates. then the high distillates to the gas oil diesel 330 degree Celsius, and the number of plates is 3 to 4 plates. then is the overall data for a atmospheric distillation unit. okay, is a simply a plate type tower છે. number of trays use થાય છે like bubble cap tray, sieve tray, ballast tray, valve tray. okay, and usually data dimensions જોઈએ આપણે અલગ અલગ ટાવર ડાયામીટર કેટલો છે, મેક્સિમમ અલો પ્રેશર કેટલું છે, એનું અલો પ્રેશર ડ્રોપ કેટલું છે, પ્રેશર ડ્રોપ ફ્રોમ ફર્નેસ, pressure at the top of the tower, light naphtha and heavy naphtha. heavy naphtha માં તેનું કેટલું છે પ્લેટ 5 to 6 plate. the light distillates to gas air oil and diesel is a 330 degree Celsius, એ 3 to 4 plate પર હશે. ઓકે, કન્ટિન્યુ કરીશું ડિસ્કશન પાર્ટ ફોર એટમોસ્ફિયરિક ડિસ્ટિલેશન યુનિટ. okay, the top of the atmospheric distillation unit is fitted with reflux condenser. Okay, so such a reflux condenser નો यूज़ કર્યો છે એઝ અ સિમ્પલી એટમોસ્ફિયરિક ડિસ્ટિલેશન યુનિટ. ડિસ્ટિલેશન यानी कि રિફ્લેક્સ કન્ડેન્સર જેમાં ચિલિંગ ને કુલિંગ સિસ્ટમ હોય છે. Then this point is a important. Okay, the atmospheric distillation unit is fitted with a reflux condenser. Then the gas is at equilibrium with light naphtha. Which one? The gas is important point છે. The gas is at equilibrium is a light naphtha will escape leaving at a mixture of two layers. Okay, mixture of two layers and the compressing of light naphtha and water. કઈ બે વસ્તુમાં છે? is this one important point છે. Okay, the gas is at equilibrium with light naphtha with escape leaving a mixture of two layers. In the compressing of the light naphtha and water જે બંનેમાં છે. The water is drained from this condenser and light naphtha is sent for stabilization purpose. Which is the one? The water drain from the condensers. J stand पर the light naphtha is sent is a stabilization purpose. Okay, then the reflux condenser usually operate at slightly higher pressure than. Important point, the reflux condenser usually operate at slightly the higher pressure than. This is the important point, higher pressure. The important words and the atmospheric pressure to the condense the vaporize. Okay, this is some point for a atmospheric distillation unit in a petroleum crude. The top of the ADU is fitted with a reflux condenser. The gases at equilibrium with the light naphtha will escape the leaving a mixture of two layers. The comprising of the light naphtha and water. Now water is drained for the condenser and light naphtha is sent for stabilization purpose. Okay, and the reflux condenser usually operate at slightly higher pressure than the atmospheric pressure to the condense the vapors. Okay, this is the part of this all atmospheric distillation unit. Okay, simply ફરી જોઈ લઈએ એક વખત. all distillation tower are plate type tower, tray like tray, bubble cap trays, ballast tray, valve tray and sieve tray. The usual data dimensions and operating the data are given below for an atmospheric column. જે અલગ અલગ આપ્યા છે ટાવરના. The depth of the number of troughs, the number of plates 5 to 8 meters. The maximum allowed pressure drop per plate is 0.15 to kilogram per centimeter square. Light naphtha, heavy naphtha માટે આપ્યો છે. Then the important points, this one, all the 4 points importance. Okay, the first top of this ADU is a reflux condenser, and then the gases at equilibrium with the light naphtha will escape leaving a mixture of two layers, the compressing the light naphtha and water. Then the water is drained for the condensation. Okay, drain this stand પર પૂછે એ condense થાય છે light naphtha and the stabilization purpose. Then the reflux condenser usually operates at slightly the higher pressure than the atmospheric pressure to the condense of the vaporize. Okay, this is the main 3 points. Okay, thank you. હવે આગળના નેક્સ્ટ પોઈન્ટ જોઈએ આપણે. વેક્યુમ ડિસ્ટિલેશન યુનિટ મોસ્ટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ છે. જીટીઓમાં 3 માર્કમાં 4 માર્કમાં અલગ અલગ રીતે પૂછી શકાય છે. એની ફિગર પણ આપણે જોવાની છે ધીસ વે. સ્ટાર્ટ કરી વેક્યુમ ડિસ્ટિલેશન યુનિટ. The first point, reduce crude from the bottom of atmospheric distillation unit is further distilled number of reduced pressure. છે રિડ્યુસ થાય છે, પણ શું? ધ રિડ્યુસ પ્રેશર ધ બોટમ ઓફ ધીસ એટમોસ્ફિયરિક ડિસ્ટિલેશન્સ ઇઝ અ remaining fractions. Then the bottom of vacuum distillation column is known as the grounded or residuum કહેવાશે એને. જે bottom vacuum distillation unit છે is called as the garden of residuums એને કહેવાશે. Then the design of this tower is more empirical than the ADU. જે vacuum distillation unit છે is a vacuum distillation unit is a more than ADU. શું કીધું છે? as a design of the tower is a more empirical than ADU. એ કરતાં સારું VDU છે. ઓકે, ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ પોઈન્ટ છે. then crude certainly that detects this density. Okay, the stock is based of the lube oil and crack feed. lube oil માટે આપણે જોવાના છે વિસ્કોસિટી ઇન્ડેક્સ, પેનિટ્રેશન ઇન્ડેક્સ અને સોફ્ટનિંગ પોઈન્ટ, જે અલગ અલગ માટે જોઈશું. then okay, important points, this one, the bottom of this product for a vacuum distillation and more than empirical for a ADU. and this operation of tower is more costly than the ADU. ADU કરતાં કોસ્ટલી વધારે છે, યાદ રાખજો. is a vacuum distillation unit is a costly ADU. કોસ્ટ વધારે છે એનો. okay, this is the operation for tower is a more costly than this atmospheric distillation unit and rates on these economic productions of this steam. and the amount of steam is dependent on this extent of vacuum. okay, amount of steam is dependent on the extent of vacuum, and these all plate, which one? amount of the steam demand in the extent of vacuum, and the plates that gives least pressure drop is well preferred. okay, the vacuum distillation unit છે is a plate that gives least pressure drop as well as preferred, and the steam with vacuum to separate the fractions with a good economy. સારામાં સારી ઇકોનોમી સાની છે? VDU ની. okay, the good economy for a ADU. for a steam with vacuum separate the fractions with a good economy rather than this ADU. an important point, vacuum is maintained below 15 mmHg यानी कि millimeter per mercury. a vacuum distillation unit છે is maintained below is a 15 mmHg. okay, then continue that these types of operation very costly and have not practiced. okay, very costly and they hence it is not practiced. and the most of the tower operate in the flash zone. the pressure is a 30 to 40 mmHg. the top pressure of these are 20 to 25 mmHg. then this lives in overall pressures the top to 10 to 15 mm from the flash zone to top plate. the vacuum tower operating in data aperture pressure in the flash zone. data is a very important. the first one, pressure drop in the flash zone 30 to 40 mmHg. and the top pressures 12 to 15 mm. temperature 225 to 250 degrees Celsius. and the overall phase is a 2% only. okay, this is the data. then the vacuum distillation is defined as a limited number of products in a three main product for a commercial interest are the first one, cracking stock, fuel oil mixture, heating oils, lube oil and bitumen. These four one is the important. The first one cracking stock, second one fuel oil mixture, heating oils, lube oil, and also bitumen. This is the important for which one? The vacuum distillation tower is designed for a limited number of products. The main product of the commercial interest. The productions of cracking stock require less elaborate stock for fractionations. The production of cracking stock they require less share. Then the temperature of the feedstock is around 400 degrees Celsius. Then the metal and other sulfur, nitrogen being the compounds may not be that much hazardous. Okay, and when the hydrocracking operations are in a progress, the vacuum tower has given only top product. The bottom of the tower is meant for asphalt making. Okay, this is a figure. Simply, as a vacuum distillation, the top of the product to vacuum system, tar, the vacuum gas oil, the three, first circulation, second circulation, and third circulation. They are reflux my pache. Okay, this is the two side steam product are usually obtained. And with the distance in gravity to serve light and heavy duty operations. The bitumen is graded by the penetration index. जी आपने जोना है softening point and penetration index बनने जोईशु. Then a new types of packing has been designed by this scientist, and they achieved low pressure stop and the carry out dry distillation, which is shown in figure. જે આપણે ફિગરમાં જોયું છે કમ્પ્લીટલી. ઓકે, ધીસ ઇઝ ધ વેક્યુમ ટાઈપ ડિસ્ટિલેશન unit. Which one is a material? A main product of commercial interest are the cracking stocks, fuel oil mixture, heating oils, lube oil, and bitumen. And the diameter, vacuum tower operating data, the pressure in flash zone 30 to 40 mm, top pressure 12 to 15 mm, temperature top 2 to 5 to 50 degrees Celsius, overflash 2%. Then simply discussion. This amount of very dependent on the accident. ADU करता वीडियो घणो कॉस्टली है, and the vacuum is maintained below 450 mm Hg. Okay, then this vacuum tower has given only top product on the one of side for a product, and bottom of the tower are meant for asphalt making, and the two side steam for pressures are usually obtained with a difference in gravity to serve light and the heavy duty operations. The bitumen is graded by this penetration index. A new type of packing has been designed by a refinery to achieve low pressure drop and carry out dry distillation, which is shown in a figure. Then this discussion about the vacuum distillation, જે 3 circulation index reflection use કર્યો છે, અને tar bottom માંથી છે અને vacuum gas oil છે અને residue part છે, this one. Okay, this is the important theory. Thank you so much.